There's melatonin and serotonin. You've heard of melatonin and serotonin before, right? So you guys are familiar with the circadian rhythm, right? Why is that so important? We can tell why the circadian rhythm and understanding is very important. Sorry, say again. How you regulate your body clock, right? And that body clock is synced to the astrology, to the cosmos, right? You understand that, right? No? Yes. You lot have the dodgiest yeses I have ever come across. It's always like, it's weird. It's a yeah, it's kind of. In Kemet, who knows what Kemet is? The ancient name for Egypt, right? In Kemet, they have something called medical astrology, right? Based on medical astrology, they can check your body clock against the astrology of the moon, where the position of the moon was and the earth was, and determine how to heal you. Because your organs are all linked to a celestial constellation, right? And that's when we go into African spirituality, I'm going more into that, right? But it's very important for you to know the what. This is all about you comprehending the what. Because until you start understanding the what, the who is what I like to call an avatar, right? Who you are is like an avatar, meaning from since you were young to now, it's an accumulation of all the information, what you decide to accept and what you decide not to accept. That's what the who is, right? But until you discover what you are, the who is always going to be in control. Does that make sense? Yeah, just went deep. Cool. So melatonin, where is melatonin made? In the brain, right? Stimulated by the production of melatonin is stimulated by the pineal gland. Who's heard about the pineal gland? Right? And how dope is the pineal gland? You've heard about it. Tell me something about the pineal gland.
Mine's calcified.
She said mine's calcified. Basically, your pineal for the most part is calcified. It's covered in mucus for the most part. And calcium residue, which makes it kind of inactive. Right? It's that third eye everyone refers to. Right? You made me start using Marvel comic references. I'm gonna hate you.
No. It's something like the third eye thing. Like,
third eye, right?
Black people got it, it's popping, whereas people who are paler ain't got it, was really inactive.
Yeah, pretty much.
Like theirs is proper covered up, whereas ours is a bit more thinner, the mucus thing you
Yeah,
I read about that, but I can't. It's been a while.
You're there, it's there. It's information we all come across passively. That's the problem, it's passed on passively, right? We need to learn, have explicit learning. Not tacit learning. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's passively given to you. You need to understand, overstand, understand, sidestand. The whole thing. Because if you don't know, once again, the what, then you're never going to know who you're going to become. Because it's going to just happen to you, right? And the dope thing about melatonin is that it kicks in at night, right? It's kicked in right now. You have melatonin. So, you ask the what you're asking for is the essence of what something is. And the only reason why you can't understand or even start to think about what is because you haven't been exposed to the necessary information that allows you to know what you are. Because what you are is more important than who you are. Who you are is going to change. You're not going to be the same person you are now in 10 years. Hopefully not. Hopefully you evolve and you change. But the what is definitely going to be constant throughout your life, right? The genetically constructed paradigm consists of the art of being controlled on a biomolecular